Okay, so we have Mr. Capo on the E here. Close enough for rock and roll. And then we have, here's the regular string shaped circle, but we're going to start on E this time because we had to go up one fret. We can't start on C. Of course, we could always do C because C is a magical cage. C, you can play all of the string shapes, so let's do that. Here, let's do the C string shape. Okay, wait a second. How are we going to do? Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, remember what I'm doing. The wonderful thing about string shapes is you can apply them to the individual strings as if each individual string was the bottom of a positional cage. So the C string shape is the bottom of the C cage. The A string shape, we're going to hop over to A for a second, is the bottom of the A cage, the A position. Okay, whatever you want to call it, the A-shaped position. Remember, A-shaped position is just so we went from A to C. Okay, then we have the G-shaped position. The third, so the G string, as we're going up the strings, the G string shape is 6/7 root because that's the part of the scale that starts the G cage, 6/7 root. So we've got that up here. Alright, so we go C, that's the bottom string of the C cage, C-shaped position. Then G, bottom string of the G position, and then D, which is the bottom string of the D position. Okay, where's the D position? It's down here on my guitar because I'm down tuned, so I can go from C to D. Remember, going this way, we're going up a pentatonic scale in the key of C, quoting those letters, C, D, E, G, A. So we go from C position to D position because we're going up a pentatonic scale as we go to the left as you're looking at your guitar. And the bottom string of that D position, if we were to play the diatonic scale, is 2, 3, 4. Okay? Alright, so let's put Mr. Capo back on. That's our D position, which would be the third string up, 2, 3, 4. And then we go to A, it's just 5, 6. G, A, and then we go to E again, but it warps over to greet us. It's not hiding back here anymore, the way the normal P4 tuning pattern would migrate to the left. Comes back up to greet us, 7 root 2 on E, and then 3, 4, 5. That's our normal, and we could do that in F. So suppose we start in the key of F. As long as we're 1 fret above the fret nut, we could start it in F. Now we have 7 because E is the major 7th of F. So will be the E string shape, and then C, and then G, and then D. Did we do that right? We got E, 7 root 2, and then C is 3, 4, 5. C is the 5th of F. Now 6, 7 root. 6, 7 root. There's your root F. Now we're going to go 2, 3, 4. Now there's a problem there because we're in the key of F. So we're going to go like that. Okay, so we want to do that one more time. We have 7 root 2 for the F. Oh, that's what, my bad. I was starting it in C. So it's 7 root 2 for the F is like this. we're going to start it on low E, 7 root 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 root, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're right there at the D, then 5, 6, and then 7 root 2. Okay, so that's what we're going to play here. Starting here, 7 root 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the 4 is the B flat. 6, 7 root. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6. Now what do we got? 5, 6. We had to warp it up for the tuning third between the G and the B. For the 5, 6 is the fifth of F is C, the 6 is D, and then 7 root 2 again. Okay, so there's a little there's a little review about the regular circle, which is just C, G, D, A, E. Again, we have a diminished fourth going the other way. So the other way you go in fourths when you're going down. Okay, it's a diminished fourth, and then going up from E to C is an augmented fifth. E always goes to C. Okay. If we're going to play off the fret nut, we go into the long pattern. Okay, so that's the difference. That's the difference. And I just wanted to show you my trumpet here. That, you know, I played trumpet when I was a kid, so I have my trumpet here. I just didn't want it sitting on the dog's box. I've got so many musical instruments now that I have no place to put them. So I have to move them around a little bit. Yeah, still got Trumpy. Okay, so let's move along here. By the way, a little digression here back into 280, chart 280 here. Ramp scales for major seventh circle, long and short shapes, 94 key keyboard. You know, this was the original of this subject matter, and then I embellished the charts and take what I need from it and leave the rest, and that's how the charts improve, and they kind of morph. You know, they kind of change as we go along and focus on different subject matters. In this chart, the subject matter was where are the notes? Where are the notes? So the F we just played is right there. It would be down here on the staff. Okay, if we're starting one of those major fourth circles, major seventh circles on F there. Okay, if this note is in between the lines, then if we go up G7, A major seventh, like these are where these notes are going to be. Exactly where are they is the question. So this is where this note is on the guitar, on your guitar. It'd be where your F is. So your F down here, the one that we were playing, is right here on your guitar. Of course, is right here on the music staff. Okay, so this is the lower clef here, and it's the first in between lines note on your music staff. Now, if you're doing the, I don't know, it's just for some reason I got to the B half diminished seventh, which is just be right here. Okay, that would be over here. Big whoop. I don't know. I don't see the great significance of that, but I'm sure we went around a little bit. And you know, the question is, where are we? You know, where are we actually? So, and then we have the string shapes here associated with the, I'm going to put me over here for a minute. I guess we could give this